This huge factory in the Welsh Valleys was built around 1940 for the production of thermomonic valves for aircraft radar sets. The company continued with mod contracts including airborne, mobile and ground-based radar equipment, various other avionics and telecoms until the late 1950s, when it diversified into medical equipment and professional, i.e. broadcast, AV equipment. They were beaten hands down by the Americans and the Japanese, and by the mid-70s the plant was churning out thousands of black cassette tapes. Audio enthusiasts of a certain age may remember the cheap ferric oxide EMI tape, EMI tape, brand black tapes. By this time the company had several name changes and was known as Thorn EMI Dynatel. The cassette tape operation lasted a few years, again seen off by the competition from the Far East, after which the company moved to contract electronics manufacture, which was really taking off in the area at the time. This lasted until the mid-80s when there was another change of name and a move to a more modern premises. The empty building was rented for warehouse space. Soon after, a Christmas decoration company took over until they moved manufacturing to China in the late 90s. The factory has been disused since and will always be known to the local community as the old EMI factory because of its significance in the area. Demolition has been planned for many years. The site still remains to this day. Okay, so hello and welcome to TopAbandonedPlaces. Today we are in the abandoned EMI factory in the valleys. We're with Red Dragon Urbex and we're going to take you guys around this place. So I believe this was an old sort of electrical components factory, I think it was. I will put some bit of history on this video, guys, for you to get a bit of information on what this is. And yeah guys, we'll see you all in the video. Right guys, look at this. It's not often I do factories like this anymore. It's an old building though, this is.
Oh, you walk it, it looked like a ganja farm, wouldn't it?
It would do, it does a bit. Shows you how old it is though, doesn't it?
Yeah, you can see how far it goes back there.
So guys, I think I'm glad I've done it now rather than years ago. Thought I'd lost my car keys for a second.
Yeah, make sure you sit on that.
That wouldn't be a very good idea, would it? No, I took the drone over as well, guys. I temporarily lost signal to the drone when I was taking that over. It's because of the visual sensors, because we were losing the light. And yeah, I lost a bit of signal to the drone. There he is, Roy, the Red Dragon.
Right, I don't think we can get over there, or do you want to have a look?
Yeah, might as well. I mean, there's more stuff over there, isn't there?
Is it?
Well, yeah, it looks like there is.
Oh, it's these trees. What the hell was that?
That was me. I kicked the metal. So there's still like conveyors and things going through this. Not much of it left. As we saw some sort of ventilation connecting this to the other buildings, so I'm not sure what that was. This looks like some form of racking over there. I think it is anyway, or is it some sort of foundation? No, that's racking. That looks like racking. No, that was industrial sized racking.
Oh, that there, yeah.
That's racking. Look at that, that's racking like you usually find in a warehouse. That's some kind of racking. Yeah, look. It's just, you see how it's just crumbling. You've got it all. This is your typical racking, look. where it's been hammered in there.
Yeah, wood's still left on it. God. It's amazing, isn't it? Oh,
The wood has just rotted away on the racking over so much time. And the funny thing is, like, from working in this sort of, like, the warehouse sort of industry, it's like working in warehouses, they still make racking like this now. Like this cheap sort of, like this heavy, this orangey sort of metal where they just hammer it in and you just have the little slots that go in. They still make racking like that now. This place is years old, and the same methods.
Was it the easy way that way?
Well, should we go through, Roy? So glass there, look.
Look at them.
Oh yeah.
Got like spikes on them.
That's unusual.
What that is?
There's got to be some sorts of containers as well.
It's like a medieval
That's
axe
glass.
sort of thing, that thing.
Watch out for the glass, Roy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's an ominous sound, isn't it? Probably some old fan or something. Or it's just the wind blowing through the ventilation. Looks like there's been a fire. Look how black it is. There's been a fire in here, hasn't there? That looks like part... Is that part of a Christmas tree?
Where?
Oh, right there.
Yeah, it looks like, doesn't it? Yeah, so that when you light it, you can see how dark it's getting.
Let me turn that up full. Yeah, I'm going to turn my light up.
God, don't it feel creepy, this part? This door's up there. That's what's left. Old trolley sort of.
The trolley, yeah. It's where they used to move the stock across the warehouse. Or whatever they manufactured. And I believe this is more manufacturing rather than shipping things out. Well, unless they did both. Spray can. Spray can, isn't it? Some sort of, look, that's got wheels on it as well. That's some sort of trolley. So.
Such a big place, man.
Creepy though, isn't it?
Imagine how many people worked in here.
Another trolley there. I don't think that's originally from here though. That trolley over there.
A bike. It's a nice bike frame, huh?
Yeah, look at it there. It's cannibalised.
That's, put it this way, look at that, that's pretty new.
Yeah, kids are taking that in here. Look, they've had sessions in here by the looks of it.
Yeah, but how can they get in here?
They're not going to take away the ladder thing because obviously they've been coming in here and probably having sessions with putting a speaker in and things.
You what?
Probably been bringing a speaker in and having a session here.
Look at the rubbish in here.
To be fair.
Oh look, shopping trolley.
Yeah, that's not originally from here.
Old those bastard.
It's probably from the bloody spa.
Probably. You won't get much from this man.
No, look over there.
Nah, it is. Let's go and have a look what's in here.
There's some sort of equipment or something over there. That's creepy though, isn't it? It's probably some big fan or something. Because like, if the wind's blowing, they'll still keep going. They'll still keep going. There's probably some big fan or something, because they'll still keep going. The fuck was that?
What was that?
That was creepy. Okay, Roy, I'm a bit scared now.
Let's go that way.
We're not alone, are we? Are we alone? Huh. Oh, that's coming from outside. And the fatty's in his outside. Don't scare me now, Roy. Whoa. It's all offices and things in Europe. Let's look at the decay though. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see though, all this decay right on the walls. That's a typewriter.
What?
It looks like a typewriter. Is it? No, it's not. Look, it's an old copier, isn't it?
It's a copier or a printer.
That's an old copier. No, it's not a printer, it's a copier. Or a fax.
Almost like that.
No, that's a copier or a fax, that is. No, look at that.
Oh, this would be looking.
Yeah, because it would have.
Flicking off.
Yeah, look at the big back on it and everything like that.
Yeah,
That's some sort of copier or. Yeah, it's more for. Look at the way it's designed. Like a printer's normally. They've got a large cartridges. Printers normally got the large different colour cartridges in it. This has got one. It's got less components. Printers tend to have more components in them, so I'd imagine this was some sort of fax machine or copier, because it's more likely to print in black and white. So if it's gonna, and it looks small, so I'd imagine it's to print letters rather than a whole image.
There's not much left in this place, is there?
So this is some sort of copier or fax machine. That's what this is, or part of it anyway.
Nice.
I'd imagine some sort of copier, that is. So
What else is up here?
it's a lot of office furniture and stuff like that.
This is where the office is, where
So some old
the
copier.
Regis Black
Oh,
operation. Sticks.
horrible, yeah. It's your typical old style office, though, isn't it? Like 1950s sort of.
Yeah, I wonder when this closed down.
I'd probably say the design of it, though, it looks like sort of.
Must be get
Not when it closed, I'd say when it was built. From the design of it, it looks about like 1940s, 50s.
Towing Colliery. When we went in there.
Yeah, it's the old style design. It's like, I don't know what it looks.
Well, it must be something in here, look, because they've got bars on it.
Yeah, something they don't want to get stolen.
Let's
Yeah.
move on. I can even this.
It's probably metal. It's probably some sort of metal blowing in the wind. Could be a rat. Oh look, it's that computer tower. Yeah, it is. And there's an old filing cabinet there. So you get to find these old things, don't you? There's old circuit boards and everything. Look, you can just see this it's melted there, look. Someone set fire to that. You can tell there's been fire in there though. Look at that. Yeah, look. We would have had a floppy disk in there, that's how old it is.
So like, yeah, that's an old computer system.
Old Intel computer, yeah. Intel 32-bit microprocessor. Intel 32-bit microprocessor. Intel inside. Yeah, that's a very old computer. You could tell just by looking on it. That's an old-fashioned design. They don't make them like that anymore.
What else?
Well, they don't. I mean, a lot of computers they don't even really use. I still use a tower, but a lot of computers are like it's just a monitor now. Literally, that's all you need. So far we've come. You don't even need a tower anymore. You just need a monitor, and that's a computer.
Be there, then.
Not
An
sure.
old printer.
They had computers in here. You can see where all the different monitors were, though, and the old monitors as well. The big boxes of monitors. Like a monitor now, the last 15 years, a monitor's been a thin screen. That's what a monitor is. It's not longer than that. Longer than that, like a computer monitor for a long time now has been a thin screen.
Yeah.
So it just gives you a bit of an impression of how long. There's another tower there as well.
Yeah.
So just gives you a bit of an impression of how long it's been closed for. You've got some more filing cabinets in there as well. Oh, looks. There's more filing cabinets. Look. Push bar to open. Insulation all over the floor. It goes right to where I'm asked, to be honest. Yeah, well, it's all shuttered over there though, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like the way out. Look.
It's bad. Not getting out of there.
No. You know, if they sealed all this in and we were in the...
Like it's caught fire at one stage.
Like, if they sealed all this in, it would literally be a prison. This building would. Careful, there's a lot of insulation on the floor, you're not supposed to breathe that in. Hang on, is that a conveyor? There's a bloody conveyor over there, right?
Huh?
You know, one of the, not a conveyor, but like one of the, like belts.
Just an old funny red wall, isn't it? I don't know what this used to be.
Look at all this in front of the light.
Yeah, I know.
It's not just dust, that isn't, you know. Some of that's probably asbestos. Wow, look at that. Yeah, as I say, Roy, you should have had a mask on.
I've got a mask on.
No.
Oh, check this.
I mean, this one's probably not any good anyway.
I don't know what they used to keep in there.
I have to watch this. This place is full of it. This place is full of it. This is why places like this closed down. You're a fucking health hazard if you're working here. What's all that? I mean, all the anything of any confidential documents or anything like that is gone anyway.
Oh,
So long gone.
be nice to find.
Some of them you do, like some abandoned hospitals, you've still got like patients' records and things like that on there. So it's like they're not supposed to leave that. When they close somewhere down, they're not supposed to leave things like that in there.
That's like Christmas trees.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier.
I know.
It looks like there's a Christmas tree left around.
It's like someone's had a problem against a Christmas tree and beat it up. Is that a Christmas tree all over?
Looks like the last time. Looks like they closed this place down after a Christmas party.
So this used to be the toilet. Oh, look, the green toilets. The tiles, isn't it?
Toilet. Yeah, nice tiles.
Oh.
Is there anything left of them this time?
Always smashed.
Oh yeah, always all smashed. Look at the cubicles, look at the state of them. Hey Roy, I'm going to use the urinal. I'm going to use what's left of the urinal, Roy.
Yeah, they're all gone. Even the sinks are gone. And they were all back.
You know what they say they've taken... Oh shit. You know you say...
What's left of the toilet block?
Roy, you know when they say they've taken everything but the kitchen sink, in this case, they've taken everything, including the bathroom sink system, yeah? Oh, good God. I'm going to use the urinal, Roy. What's left of it? I'm using the urinal, Roy. Whee! There we go, right. It's not functioning how it should be. I'll wash my hands now. Oh no. No, I can't because the sinks are gone. What the hell? Some sort of coat rack or something? No, that's not a cable.
What is that?
It's not a cable thing, what is it?
Oh, I would have thought
It's some sort of transportation thing, is it?
You know, maybe someone can comment and let us know what maybe that might be.
Alright, have a look at this over here, Roy. Over here. Look. You alright?
Yeah, watch where you're stepping on the floor.
Why, what's down there? Needles? Is there needles?
No, it's not needles, no, it's where metal used to be.
Oh shit. Look, it's a conveyor.
Yeah, that's a conveyor belt, that is.
Well, that's what I wanted to have a look at. So there's even the buttons there, look.
Yeah.
For manual shutdown and manual start and everything like that. Look, there it is. I'm surprised there's so much left here, to be honest. There's like computer towers and everything like that. There's monitors, there's conveyor belts. There's quite a lot still here, right?
Can you imagine how many conveyor belts they did have in here?
Oh yeah, they would have had proper production lines. Like this was, I believe it was for electronics, so it would have been quite an electronic manufacturer. So they would have had quite a lot of.
Making Christmas trees in here.
Yeah,
I'm surely seeing a lot of Christmas trees.
You think so? Yeah. EMI, I'm pretty sure that's why there's microchips and things like that. I'm pretty sure they work with like electronics and things like that.
Yeah, you used to do light bulbs and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's what I mean, electronics. That's what I mean, I'm pretty sure this was an electronics factory. Like cables and wiring, cables and wiring and fuses and electrics and things. That's what they used to do in here.
Look.
Oh, it is for cables.
See, I was right, look. There's one with reels of cable on.
Oh yeah.
You have a cable on it. See? So it winds around.
It's not copper wiring, is it?
Look, it's steel.
Is it steel?
Another one over there.
Oh yeah. I was going to say, I suppose it hadn't been stolen.
This was on the outlet, more Christmas trees.
I was going to say, I'm surprised that it hadn't been stolen. The Christmas tree factory.
I think they used to make Christmas. I'm sorry, Bella. It's just everywhere.
Should we call this one the Christmas tree factory, Roy?
Yes. Christmas came and gone for dinner. You say, God, look at that, it's ganja. What is that, tinsel?
Yeah, it's all Christmas stuff. What's going on here?
This is crazy because there's more stuff. See, you can make your own Christmas tree here, look.
Oh God, I see that.
Everybody sees Christmas trees, huh?
Shoot something.
So I think they used to make Christmas trees in here, haven't they?
There's a lot of them in there, isn't there?
Yeah. Christmas trees.
Eye protection must be worn.
Come on in. You need your light because mine's dying.
Yours is dying.
Yeah, don't worry.
He's dead.
Let's have a look what else we can see. That's good too, you know, it's fascinating to see what.
Oh, there's cans, and there's cans of Stella and pallets. That's not a pallet, that's some sort of crate.
Pallet, that's a crate.
That's a crate there. There's 2 pallets there. You know, these pallets are actually... These pallets are actually in better nick than the ones we use in my work.
There's a filing cabinet there. What's left?
Really? These pallets are... That's really sad. These pallets are actually in better nick than the ones we use in my work.
I look like a safe.
Hey, everyone at my work, these pallets are better than the ones that you use, so get some better pallets.
So yeah, guys, I really believe he was making Christmas trees.
I think it's electronic manufacturer. That's what I thought.
EMI makes Christmas trees. And I think that's a safe, by the way.
They might have made Christmas lights.
Got a size of that box.
What's that?
Right, come on.
Number 2.
Let's go through more bits now. Behind us, we didn't go through into that section.
Can you get down there? Yeah. Oh, look, it's all shuttered off, look.
No, if you go there and take a left, the door's open.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is there another section through there?
I think so. It's not really far on the level.
Is that
Yeah, that's
light bulbs in it?
You see what that is?
Looks like light bulb fittings, isn't it? No.
Yeah, it could, yeah.
Yeah, it's light bulb fittings, yeah.
Yeah, they do lights as well.
Yeah, I told you, electronics.
This was the Christmas tree line before.
They made Christmas lights, I thought so.
Oh, Well, it might do, yeah.
Yeah, they made Christmas lights, and they need the trees so they can put the lights on.
They made pre-lighted trees.
Yeah,
That's right.
loads of Christmas trees about.
I'm just tripping over. As you
You're tripping over
more
cables.
Christmas
And Christmas trees.
trees. Oh no, you had right, yeah.
Yeah.
Shut up. Why was I thinking? Oh, what's that? What's your name?
Shit. Oh my
Oh,
god.
there's machines in here, mate.
Is it?
Yeah.
What is it? Some sort of generator?
That's.
No,
I'll tell you what
these-
that is. That's a fly press. I used to use them in work.
Yeah, I've seen those before.
Yeah, it's a fly press.
Sorry.
For a Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's all. That's outdated. That is.
I don't know what that is.
They don't use these anymore.
Yeah,
Health and
what was
safety.
that?
Oh, I've seen something like that.
Not sure what that is.
And there's some sort of industrial press or something.
Some kind of press.
Right, it looked like something large and furry just moved down there,
Where?
underneath there.
Shit, come on, let's get
I
over
think
here.
it's a rat.
Right, well, shoot that there. You want to stay with it?
No, you can stay with the rat, Roy.
Oh, come on, shift. I'm not sure what that was. Some kind of machine.
So, can anyone tell us what this is?
I don't know, but let me get out.
Rat?
Stay with the rat.
Ratty can't tell us, can he?
Stay with Roland.
Hey, rat fans!
Yes.
It's Roland Rats! How are you guys doing?
God, look at that. Still intact. Normally they break that.
Oh,
Fine,
someone's
isn't it?
broke glass though.
Oh, is it? Well, it's still intact.
Well, to be fair, it looks like there has been a fire, so they were right to break the glass, weren't they? Electricity meter.
Right.
Look, Calmu 3 electricity meter, Winchester, England, 1996.
Is that the last time it was used?
No, that's what that looks like. The
When it was serviced?
I'm guessing so. No, is that the manufacturing date?
Probably manufacturing date.
So
I think this must have closed down in the 90s.
late 90s.
Don't go by that cable, because that's where they chopped it. Look, that's where there's no power going to anything now, see it? How
Yeah.
thick that cable is.
Yeah, look, it's all cut off.
Yeah. Don't go near that. Right, let's start heading through now.
Let's head through, guys.
Getting done.
It is very dark. It's pitch black. It's pitch black. It is pitch black, bro. Oh, fucking hell. Now I'm tripping over it. That's you jinxing me, guys.
See? Why is it always?
That's you jinxing me now. It's a lot of Christmas stuff, though. I don't get why there's so much Christmas stuff in here.
They were making
Because look, you...
maybe pre-lit Christmas trees, maybe.
Potentially. That is an option. That is a possibility, Roy. That is a possibility. Except that diagram there said about light bulbs. So,
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Yeah, EMI did do a lot of light bulbs as well. Maybe they're doing a bit of everything.
Through we go. We're this side of the racking now. You see all this equipment over here.
Pretty much the same, the actual units.
Look at this.
They had thousands of people working
Look at this.
with components.
That's one of the
Oh yes, one of the bins, look.
bins, yeah.
That looks like something, well, I used to work in a bakery.
Yeah, I've seen those.
Push it on, shove it in there.
We've got the newer green skips over here. I don't know.
Let's go back along.
Yeah.
Because that was the way we seen the racking.
We saw stuff over here though, didn't we? Yeah, it's dark. Look how dark it is outside now.
It's getting dodgy now, guys. At least we got into that place.
We'll be meeting the crackheads in a minute.
Yeah. Maybe come in here at night and sleep or have a party.
Yeah.
did we get him?
This way, Ronnie? No, I'm pretty sure it's this way, Roy.
Come on then.
I'm pretty sure we came this way, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah, because we stepped up. Yeah. That's asbestos again. It's alright, Roy, we're only going to die.
Which way? Through that way?
Should we have a look at this way? I'm pretty sure we came around this way. Yeah, we did, yeah. It is.
I'm hearing noises behind me.
It's probably the road. There's a road right by us.
Smells tapping, I can hear this one.
Yeah, it's the metal, isn't it? This building's full of metal and wires and things. So it's a factory. Careful, where are you at? Yeah, I know. So I said you're alright. Careful, there's a step. There's a step over there. It looks like it, doesn't it?
Huh? Don't take long for trees to grow in you. That proves how long this has been empty.
Well, the fact that there's literally trees growing in you, yeah. Look, these are full on trees. There's full on trees in you.
Yeah. So it took a while for that to grow.
So I'd say late 90s, wouldn't you? Because that said 1996, so it might have been 1998 or something like that this closed down. So it's been over 20 years anyway, we know that. Well, we don't know that, but we think that. I think it's been over 20 years. Let's have a look down here, Roy. It's very dark. There's more rooms over here, look. By the looks of it. More offices, look. Oh look, someone's done a graffiti with a COVID mask, look.
The what?
COVID mask.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to catch it. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the COVID mask. Oh, that sounds like someone. Could be rats though.
I don't know. I
Probably
hear
rats.
someone moving around. I said that I could hear someone, didn't I?
Yeah, crackhead.
Could be, I don't know.
They get dangerous when they do crackheads.
I think this used to be
Bathroom.
shower block, maybe?
Showers or bathrooms?
Yeah, probably a shower block what's left of it.
Oh yeah, it does look like
Wash
it.
your eyes.
Wash your eyes. Wash your eyes.
Maybe ventilation.
Tiles are alright. Have we had a look in this bit, Roy? Over here, Roy. There's a door here, look. There's a door. There we go. Missing out. Some more offices, look.
Oh yeah.
Not too much to see there.
Surprised how much they've vandalised.
Well, look how much is down here.
Shit.
Big drum here, look.
Spooky.
It's a big drum.
Yes, I know. Spooky down there.
Oh, there's an empty packet of Haribos there.
You can have it if you want some.
It's alright, right? Hold yours.
Just been to the floor. Smash glass.
Across the road.
Yeah, actually.
Not a toilet left, no?
No, I was looking for some toilet roll actually.
You're not going to find any, I don't think, bro.
No, there's so much history on.
Yeah, you need a shit, don't you?
I'm trying not to think of anything.
Oh, look at that.
It's what's left of a printer by the look of it.
It's an old printer, that is.
That's what's left of it, yeah. This gone right beyond one place. Oh,
Sounding creepier in you, though, isn't it?
You won't see any more toilets, do you?
And then, gents.
So what's happening there?
Gents' toilets.
Someone's been using these bins up over here. They're probably burning to keep warm. That's what I think it was made for.
Enough sleepers. Crackheads. There's probably even crackheads in there. There might be a crackhead in here now. Good girl. Still you, like EMI. It's proper office space in here. Tell plenty of people have been here with all graffiti and rubbish though.
Yeah. Come in here.
That was cool, that one with the mask though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was funny.
It was a bit.
Thing over my face. Someone left their old shoe.
Oh, an old shoe. It's quite a nice brick in here there.
I can hear someone. Can you hear someone?
Yeah, I can hear your voice. I can hear someone speaking.
See, he's back there. Can't even get him.
No. Haven't got anything to worry about, Roy. This sort of brick design though reminds me of the Hoover factory.
Yeah.
Merthyr.
Oh, Hoover.
Yeah. That brick design like that. Sort of pale sort of brick. Oh. Battery compartment, no wiring in this area.
What is it?
Circuits, look. Some of the...
Oh yeah.
It's all been cut, look, it's all gone. Apart from these circuit boards, but they've all been cut as well, look.
Saturday. Old desk.
Old desk. So these are all offices. I don't know whether they were management's offices or...
Could be. It's on fire by the look of it.
I mean, look at all the departments they go in, like factories and warehouses. You've got QA, quality assurance, you've got all management, you've got the... apart from just the factory workers.
This would have been a mini little kitchen. Like some food on my...
You've got like them, right? You've got like delivery. You've got like delivery managers and stuff like that as well. So.
Right.
So there's a lot of management. There's a lot of different types of management. Oh, right. But what remains of a Christmas tree as well? More remains of Christmas trees.
That looks more intact, that one. That was probably a restroom.
Probably. Don't know.
This goes back
It's not one I'd like to sit in, to be honest. It's not one I'd like to have my lunch in. Wow, look at that. That's cool. It's quite artistic, to be fair. Someone's tag though. It's a tag, that's what it is. They tag it with their own sort of style. So So they use their own tag.
What the hell is that?
Some sort of tape measure, I think.
Tape? That's a big tape measure, isn't it?
Is it a meter tape measure? That's a different number, isn't it?
Don't know. Electric component, maybe?
Maybe. But then it's got a tape. Some sort of tape measure on it.
Looks like an indoor garden.
Yeah. You can see on my camera. You know, my camera can see all that. This one's good in low light.
Some table. Maybe someone's getting this strong. Oh.
Potentially. Yeah, you think we've been around all this place and then we get around more of it. Hang on, right, let me get a shot of this table. There we go. Yeah. Jeez. Asbestos sheeting.
Ooh.
It's in here.
Look
Miracle Grow. There's a big bag of Miracle Grow by there.
Where?
Miracle Grow.
Oh, silly, yeah. They've been having a grow in here. Yeah, well, that's what we use it for, isn't it? Yeah, looks really
D01.
What is it?
The room D01.
Office 52. D01.
D01.
Cool, check the paper that they were using.
That's old, isn't it?
Yeah. Be getting this time.
They've ripped the power outlets out. They've ripped the bloody light switch out. I think they ripped most of the power outlets out as well.
The light switches off.
Yeah, they ripped the light switch out the wall. Uh-oh.
What, is your light going?
Yeah, it's dead.
Frick off.
Literally, it's dead.
You're joking.
Yeah.
Right, guys, I think this is all it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Hang on, Roy.
We've run out the light.
Hang on, Roy. Shine your light on me. I might have another battery there.
Oh, is it? Let's see if we get another.
If we're lucky.
No, we gotta get over here quick because we're not gonna.
Hang on, bro. I can't see.
I haven't got much light left myself.
Hang on, I
haven't been in here that long, surely.
Yeah. 40 minutes now. Try this one.
Yeah, always make sure you've got a spare.
Yep.
Is it working?
Oh, no, that one's dead as well.
Right, come on then.
Hang on. Might work, Roy.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh,
It's not dead.
We actually got light then.
There we go.
We haven't really, okay. We'll see if we can see any more, guys. And I'm gonna
So have a quick look. I think we're pretty much done anyway, guys.
Yeah.
So. Oh, and then my camera battery's dying, so I'm probably going to end it off now. Okay, guys. So, hope you all enjoyed this video. The EMI factory with Red Dragon Urbex. Been a pretty decent explore. Quite a long one now. Been over 40 minutes recording this. So we'll see you guys in the next one.